here's demoing our new refrigerator. One of the really neat features is each door has its own handle. So we can open it like this. Ta-da! Notice how brightly lit it is, folks. And if I can remember how to do this, if there was nothing on this shelf and we wanted to put something really tall here, we just simply go like this and would slide that shelf all the way in. And voila, we could put anything tall in here we want. Yeah, voila. So anyway, here's the wine cooler. This is some very well aged wine. Here we have what is called the wide open cool select pantry. It's got its own temperature controls. And you can lay this out how you want. Move a shelf around, you can lay drinks in here. Anyway, you can have this set to a different temperature than the rest of the refrigerator. This is an ice maker. Here's the shelves on the other door. Here's the master control panel where you can set and view the temperatures of the refrigerator and the freezer. And here's the water, ice, crushed ice dispenser. It's got an alarm, so if a door isn't closed for more than 3 minutes, the alarm starts ringing. And the freezer also, believe it or not, has its own handle. Lift up and pull it out like that. And you notice this little drawer open part way. We've got a lot of stuff in here that's unorganized because we had to move it quickly from after we moved the other freezer out. And although you can't see it here, there's a little tab you can pull up and you can stick up to 16-inch freezers in here straight up.
Pizzas.
Also 16-inch pizzas straight up and down. So that completes this mini demo. Thank you for your attention.
Do some of the lights. Make the sounds.
Back again, folks. Here's some lights. Well, there. Did you hear a nice little alarm telling me I just turned this light on? Okay. Here's the fridge. Right now set for 36 degrees. The ice is off. Now it's back on. You press these two buttons and hold them, and then you can turn off the cooling system. And then you can either turn on or off the door alarm. So that about completes this demo.
Turn the light off. On the refrigerator.
Not the room light?
Not the room light.
Yes, ma'am.
There you go. See, it makes the sound going down.
Bye.